So, students, we have discussed what the digital transformation is all about. We have also discussed digital transformation and the transformation of traditional business functions. We also discussed about millennials and their characteristics. So, with this, we can say that we are living in a digital age. So, what are the tips of doing business in the digital age? Number one, think mobile first. We are here in the generation when everywhere we look around, everybody is with their head down in their cell phones. 90% of the mobile Facebook users use Facebook through their mobiles. So it is very important for the businesses to have a look at it because consumer behaviors are changing, so they need to think mobile first. Have a solid digital strategy. Many of the businesses are following the digital trends very successfully, but if we have a look at some of them जो कि successful नहीं हैं, they are just following some outdated advertising methods. So it is very important to have a new digital strategies in their mind. They are following outdated trends and then thinking that something would change. So let me tell you that it won't change until and unless you follow a digital strategy. Think long term. जिस तरह रियल लाइफ में हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है कि जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप होगा उतना लॉन्ग टर्म relationships are more stronger. Same with the consumers or with the brands or with the business. In order to truly judge a return on investment on your digital marketing, you need to understand that it does take time and requires a lot of effort and work plus consistency. Market like it's 1 year ahead, or we can say that market like it's 2019. Consumer behaviors are changing, socially relationships are building. So we cannot just think that Facebook is good, Instagram is good or not, or any other social media is good or not. Just jump into it. Just start doing things on social media. Don't fight the trends. जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स हैं फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग या डूइंग बिजनेसेस जैसे बिलबोर्ड्स फ्लायर्स दे आर अवेलेबल वी कैन नॉट मेजर कि वो कितने अट्रैक्टिव हैं बट डिजिटली थिंग्स आर मेजरेबल वीडियोस का बहुत ज़्यादा रवाज है लाइव वीडियोस ऑन फेसबुक या एनी अदर social media इसका बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड है and through this you can even measure because comments are coming in because you can calculate how much people are opening the particular website or video. So it is very important to just follow the trends.